Hello everyone, ASR Trades here. Let me turn off these fans. I always forget to do that. Oh, I'm going back to Today was a really good trading day. I've had a pretty good day these past few days. Especially yesterday. Yesterday was really good. And today was really good as well. I'm learning about US treasury curves. I'm learning about treasury curves right now. Honestly, it's pretty decent. I mean, it's obviously just me studying, so it's not gonna be anything out of the ordinary. But I just want to be blunt about what I'm studying and stuff I don't know, and I'm not gonna act like I do know what a. Well, I obviously know what a treasury curve now is, but you know. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm studying. Maybe you guys want to study it too. Maybe you don't. Maybe you do. I don't know. And quite frankly, I honestly do care about most of you, all of you guys actually. And I hope you guys will become some successful traders one day, because I know I will. But anyways, enough with that. I'm gonna show you guys the trade I took today. This is gonna be a really short video. So I looked at the first things. I learned a couple new things. So one of the things is called VIX. Now VIX is basically telling you how choppy this is a very surface level thing, but it's going to be telling you how choppy the market is, or how trend heavy the market is. And usually when it's below 20, and that's like a very how do I say, it's like a very surface level thing, but usually if it's below 20, it's gonna be a trend heavy. But if it's above, like if it spikes, if it's almost anything above 20 ever, so like boom, up here all the way at 21, this probably could have been a big spike right here. That probably could have been a big liquidity grab, etc., etc. Yeah, that's I mean, so far it's worked, and today we were really trend heavy. The DXY, you could use the DXY too as well, because usually if this is very surface level knowledge, by the way, because I kind of only know some surface level knowledge. I know a little bit of deep stuff, but usually if the DXY is going down, everything's going to be going up, because that's going to be telling us that inflation and all that good stuff. Okay, it's going to be telling us the dollar's getting weaker, prices are going up, and what happens when the dollar's getting weaker. Basically, yeah, all that good stuff. And let's go on to the trade I took today. Now, I did long today, which was the right decision, because treasuries were down and we're at all-time highs as well. So usually when we're at all-time highs, you want to look at treasuries. You're going to want to look at the 15-minute, not really the hourly. The hourly is kind of just going to be telling you basically some past trends, and maybe something else. But 15-minute, not really telling us anything. 5-minute, that's where I was today in the hour market open for you guys. That's not market open. Now I took the trade on NASDAQ. Alright, boom. Market opened right here. Now immediately in market open, I'm pretty sure we had a SMT. Yep, we had an SMT right here. Market open, boom, on this candle right here. SMT. MES swept out these lows. MNQ did not sweep out all these previous lows down here, and that's where S&T is gonna lie. Boom, S&T to the lows, long up here during pre-market. I mean, long up there during market. The reason why I came in on MNQ, it was the leading indicator. I mean, it was the leading index coming out of that S&T. So MNQ was gonna be a little bit more bullish today. So I'm eating right now, by the way. I'm eating a peanut butter jelly sandwich. By the way, crunchy peanut butter is better than creamy peanut butter. I will die on that hill, because I am right. Now if we come over here, boom. Come over here, we got a fair value gap. Boom. Push down into that fair value gap. Big displacement out of it. Breaker structure on the 5-minute. Did we get a BOS on the 15-minute too? We never even broke structure to the downside on the 15 minute. Actually, we did. Broke structure right here to the down. Wait, did we? No, we never closed. So yeah, we never even broke structure on the downside. We kind of just had a couple down candles, but we broke structure on the 5 minute, as well as inversing this bullish, basically just this big bearish reversal zone. Where for value gap right here, pushed into it, inverse that for value gap, broke structure. That was kind of just like our big daddy candle. That was kind of just our big daddy candle. We had a for value gap, pushed into the for value gap, up candle out of the for value gap, decent displacement. I was gonna come in. I kind of wanted us to be. I was kind of a little bit shaky because MES was hanging down a little bit lower, but I came in about right about here. Once I seen we're kind of rallying a little bit, especially on the 1 minute. I came in right about here. I just took the 1-to-1. I mean, honestly, if I'm being serious, I probably could have took the 3-to-1, but that would have been a little bit. Actually, yeah, I probably could have took the 3-to-1. But I'm not gonna come in on multiple positions yet. I'm just gonna be probably taking 1-to-1s for a decent amount of time, so I can come in on 2 positions. Then I'll be taking 2-to-1s and moving my stop loss to break even and targeting, just letting the other one run freely. That's probably what I'm gonna be doing on my main account. Once I do turn 18, and yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna be doing. But I mean, that's really all today. Today was kind of just a textbook day, if I'm being completely honest with you. We got our bias from trends because we're in an uptrend right now. We're at all-time highs, so that gives us another bullish confirmation. News today, gave us another bullish confirmation. Treasuries being down gave us another confirmation. VIX being down gave us another confirmation, and DXY being down gave us another confirmation. So we got a lot of confirmations here. If you guys are a little bit skeptical about that, I'll go over here. If we see at 820 right here, when DXY usually goes up, you can see we're kind of just chopping around right here. But oh my gosh, I gotta stop stuttering. I'm not gonna track the breaker structures in here because yeah, that's just that. But when we go up like this, I don't know how to explain it. It's just my head's just like so wired. I'm gonna have to. I'll go into further detail on DXY next video. But yeah, I'll tell you guys about that next video. That's really all. It's gonna be a really short video. Yeah, really short video. I'm gonna play my guitar for like 1 minute, so you guys can click off the video if you want. I'm just gonna show you guys the next measure of that song I learned. I can play it pretty consistently now. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Let's see if I can get it first try. Wait. That's pretty much the first 2 measures. Alright. There you go. That's the first 2 measures. I'm going to be practicing the third one today. The next measure is like really hard because I have to use my pinky on a 4th fret. I have to move my pinky on a 4th fret, low E string, which is crazy. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. Hey, I hope you guys just like genuinely from the bottom of my heart, I hope you guys just have a good trading day. I hope you guys had a good trading day, had a good trading week, and I hope you guys become profitable really, really soon. And that's gonna be all. Hope you guys learned something today, and bye. No one still commented on my last video what it should be, so I mean, I don't even know what to say.